Ichi, you didn't also. You tried, right?
Yeah.
Deepika, do you finish? Okay. Oh, but all the rest, no problem, Deepika. Okay, great. Audrey, all done? Good. Lucas, do you do your homework? Yes, no, Lucas? You got to do some.
I do once.
Later, I'll take a look before you go over there. The last page.
Oh, I didn't even start.
Yeah, because you were not sure.
I did one question.
You did one question.
Then?
Okay, come. Let's go through the questions.
No, wait. I got more than just 50 people.
You mean you have a lot of tuition people? What happened?
Mine. Want to see my bag? No, where's my paper?
No screen.
Not done for only this back.
Casey, keep your handphone.
See, I got more than 50 people.
If not, just let your mom know you don't need a handphone at all.
Like a paper. Oh, where's my paper? I'm to die.
Yeah, where's your paper?
No, I'm home. Yeah.
Okay, let's quickly go through. 1 minute, nothing. Okay, come. Okay, are you still searching for it?
Wait. Oh, not eat.
Okay, look at MCQs. Question 10, of course, the numbers are not in order.
Before?
Jake, make sure you write down the answers as well.
Is it 4? Yeah.
Is it 4?
If you go on now, I first say is.
Okay. Where's Essie? Oh, Essie. I don't know. Somebody, another tutor. Not sure why she's there. Okay. Right, Hakimin, your turn. 7. Hakimin. D, 3, A, B, and D. Good. Hey, come on. A, B, and D. They were
So small illuminations I know.
ovules became the seeds. Of course, you have many seeds. You have many ovules.
Just like papaya.
Yes, good.
Papaya.
Many ovules give you many seeds.
And I just bought a new string.
Again.
Who?
Reminder, for a fruit to form, you need pollination and fertilization of the flower. I think we have gone through it in the first question. Now, let's go on. Number 9. What happens to the mass of the seed leaves if
So it's the answer two. Because the seed leaves will be used up and then be slowly no more.
Okay, what happened to seed leaves? Will they be used up?
They'll be they'll be used up, then they'll be leaves to take in the take in sunlight and make their own food.
Okay. What okay. Anyway, yes, it's correct by the way. Good. Jiehai. Come, Jiehai, tell us what's the purpose?
I like the seeds with food. Oh, cause they have no leaves to make their own food.
Good. All right.
For germination.
Okay. Provide the seedling or the young plant with food.
Your phone.
Before Jiehai, what are the other types of leaves called?
Huh?
The actual leaves that can make food, what are they called?
Eels.
Right now, they are called true leaves.
Oh.
Appear.
True leaf. This one is seed leaf. It's just inside. The true leaf is around it.
Okay, seed leaves cannot make food, but true leaves can. True leaves can photosynthesize.
Sure. Can you bring like a green leaf and then cut it in half and see the seed leaf?
Nope, it doesn't work that way. Seed leaves is inside the seed. You have to bring a seed to cut it.
One flower.
Do you have a seed?
Flower.
Okay, you bring along next week.
Four flowers. Flower.
Okay, main focus. Lucas, are you following?
This is the world's earliest plant.
Yes. Datura.
Rafflesia is not. Is it?
Is that a guess?
The Rafflesia plant, right? It takes as the insect who love the smell come into their hole and pollinate. Oh, I hate you. It pollinates those that housewives and all, they pollinate the Rafflesia plant.
Yeah, because it has the smelly.
So where will this thing? There's only one of these plant in the world.
Huh? No, of course they have a lot.
But it takes very long time to bloom.
Yep. Okay, come, guys. Strong smell. What does strong smell mean?
Strong smell means it can attract a lot of insects in a very long distance.
Yes, good. Attract insects. Ichi, focus. Mean you stop it, huh? All right. Attract insects to do what?
To pollinate.
Yes, to pollinate. So yeah, focus. So look out for. So insects will be the pollinator. Okay, but what else? What else do you notice? Are the male and female flower open at the same time? No. Female flower or female part of the flower first 2 days before the male opens. So female part is open up, die off, then the male part open up. So
But the male's on top leh.
yeah, male is on top, but they don't appear at the same time.
Not sure about the male on top, but when you open it, can't you see the male already?
But it's not mature yet. Right, they have to be mature. So female part will mature first.
So, but when you open up this flower, right? Wouldn't you see the male part first?
Yeah, it doesn't matter. Hmm?
Open from the bottom?
No.
What is the what?
Doesn't mean actually open up, it means mature. Correct, whereas the
Inside one hold the pollination, the must hold the part.
oh,
What like take this female part and if they come to another flower, the male part they need to this one.
yeah, correct. So that means when you not fertilize, sorry, when you pollinate from the male part, this insect goes to the male part.
And then quickly
It needs another flower. It cannot be the same flower.
so then what fruit will it produce?
Oh, I don't know for sure. I've never seen it before.
Try.
Okay, so
Later can you see?
guys, can you write down, because it's between two flowers, so what do you call this kind of pollination? This is called
Cross pollination.
good cross pollination between two different flowers. It's just pollination within the same one flower. That is called,
The self pollination.
yeah, which I've written there anyway, self-pollination. PC, are you following? Okay, good.
Self pollination is easy when there's winds.
Yeah.
What did he say? Because is that?
Kimin.
Your phone is based.
One more time, I'll just get you to sit beside Kimin.
What's Travis for?
Ignore him, Hakimin. Number 2, which of following is correct for flowering and non-flowering plants? Okay, better get it right. Lucas, do you do this? Yes, he said number 1, he said 2. Let's see. Neither. All right, so as I said, flowering plants, flowers means you've got fruits. Hey, Hakimin, comes. So non-flowering,
Non-flowering plant also can make food.
yeah, of course they can make food, but they cannot make fruits.
Yeah, who's that called? But next one.
But that's fun.
Oh yeah.
And so nothing to do with make food, all plants can make food. Can Casey? All plants can make food,
So is there any flowering?
Lucas can.
Is there any flowering fungi?
Nope. Only plants can flower.
That's bad.
Okay, papaya, your favorite. Which represents the flower that the fruit was produced from?
One ovule cannot be many ovules can.
So is it many ovules or one ovule, or is it many or what?
The answer is two.
Okay, good.
Okay, many ovule.
Okay, remember one fruit is one ovary,
Yeah, but we have many ovaries.
and
Many cannot be many ovaries.
oh, can
What plant?
like grapes, grapes with many bunches, right? So they come from many ovaries. Okay,
The seed inside very little.
okay, let's go on. Okay, of course, anyone has questions, just voice up, otherwise I'll just carry on. Okay, this one.
Germination.
This is carbon.
Germination. He's still taking the phone.
Okay,
Your phone.
I keep yours also.
Sure.
Sure. Okay, come.
No. Okay, just give me back.
Why? Why then? I thought you said sure what?
Yeah, he never give us.
No, it's okay, I just keep it.
Hey, who knows?
Come, let's carry over temperature. Hey, Hakimi, come, focus. I keep your phone so they can focus. What was the hypothesis?
Just take the one, not fair. Don't check mine. The
Typical. Number 3. Good. You notice
If they
over
never find lower temperature, then it is to find out when if germination is like the
Yes. All right. So obviously your answer has to do with temperature. Okay, let's go on.
But in a dark room, the temperature will be cooler. With the light, it will be warmer. You have to get a bit of heat.
Yes, Lucas. Okay, next one. Next one. This one is a favorite question.
Yeah, I know. This is the one where when you put the on.
Yeah. All right. So what is the question? What could variable x be? Distance traveled by seed. You notice the distance become less and less, the higher the variable x is.
That cannot be exposed area. If it's more exposed area, you apply for the height of the seed where it's dropped.
So
that one.
Audrey, your answer? 2. Amount of wind.
This is seeds,
Okay. Come. Actually. You see, Kimi, I ask you, and Audrey as well. When you have more wind, do you think it's going to go further or
you'll go further?
Further, right? So by right,
this one
this
is go lower.
you're going to see like this, no? Yes, correct.
Isn't it the mass of seed?
So if it's wind here and it's distance there, you will see this graph. Alright, the more wind you have, the further it moves.
Then it's the mass of the seed.
Yes, good. The answer is mass of the seed. The heavier the seed, the less it moves.
So, but the height of the seed when struck is low, that has nothing to do.
Yeah, height of the seed actually it has something to do.
Exposed surface area, if there's more, you want to do that one. More exposed area will make it flatter.
Yeah, probably.
Gardener wants to grow moss in a garden. How can help the moss grow well?
Okay. Can understand. Okay. Let's go on. Next one.
Does not have fruits.
Boss.
So I thought balls don't need a lot of water.
Oh, well, that's my question.
Attract butterflies into the garden.
How come that's why my question is missing?
Question 10. I mean 19.
How come I don't have this question? Do you have the extra question? Do you have it? Somehow my copy does. Oh, I needed this another time. Let me see. I don't have it on my screen. Moss is a tiny non-flowering plant. It grows at the bottom of the forest. Gardener wants to grow moss in the garden. How can he
Attract butterflies to the garden so it can make more trees and moss to grow?
Tough guys? Moss, how do they reproduce?
Spores.
Spores. Do they have flowers?
No.
So, do you need insects?
No, you don't need to any more of them.
So, what should the answer be?
Cannot. Then water the moss, grow moss under bright sunlight. I don't think they need bright sunlight.
How can he help the?
So I don't think you need bright sunlight.
Yes. So, guys, option 2 and 4 are wrong. Hey, how come you don't? Oh, yours is the old version. Oh, no wonder. Yeah. They took the new version. Yeah, they took the new version. For the 3 of you, you don't have it, just like mine here. So they have extra questions.
Let's go.
But let's ask Deepika. So what should the answer be?
I just it should be 1.
Yeah, the answer is 1. You know why?
Water.
Yeah, there's a lot of water there, and also they don't like sunlight that much.
Yeah. They stay on rocks and water.
Yeah.
They love water. You see, moss is always in the pond, you know.
Yes, 36. Change in the mass of the young plant and seedlings during germination. Which of the following best explains the changes shown in the graph? The leaves first appear around day X. So it's followed by the shoot.
The roots always grow first.
Okay, but guys, they want you to explain the graph, right?
So
Does the graph explain the roots? No,
No.
it doesn't
the
matter.
young
It
plant
should not tell you about the
always
roots.
will grow after the eggs. No,
No.
the seedlings provide food for the young until they eggs. They eggs no have
Yeah, the seedlings are still there after day X. So the best answer is one.
So you know what is that called? Teacher, this is brilliant paper. It's mango trees.
Ah.
And then later they go the seed over there. And then, like the sharper the thick is, and then you go down denser like
Sink into the
denser.
dark.
They do that so that because got high tide and low tide. If they then they do that, then you can start growing immediately.
Great. Do you remember that? Okay, guys.
But then they also need for sunlight and all.
I have gone through, right, I believe. Yeah, that's why I have the answers there. Check, right, see whether you can copy down or not. But there's one part that didn't go through. How about part C? John repeated the experiment 5 times with all factors except for one. Suggest 2 possible ways of varying this factor. Speed of the wind. Okay, how to control the speed of the wind?
Use yeah.
No, she's correct. How?
Yeah.
Please see how. By adjusting the okay. Is 2 ways, right? One is adjust the fan speed. I don't think they'll accept that because you need to talk about the fan. The experiment involves the fan.
So maybe the speed of the fan and where E is removed.
Because the speed of the wind is a factor, but how do you change the factor? Way to change the wind speed.
Maybe to bring it closer.
Can you do that?
No, you can't.
Try not to move the distance because the distance is something you want to measure. So by right, you should not change the distance of the fan. You should not move it closer or further.
Then maybe I'll make the.
You can't because you want to measure the distance. You can't just change the distance. Distance is to be measured, not to be changed. Yes, very smart. Right, good. You see, actually you can do very well if you just focus yourself. Yes, change the number of fans or vary the number of fans used.
Adjust the fan. Pick up. Adjust the fan. Do we know what go?
Yes, they ask for 2. You notice? 2 possible ways. So you have to write 2.
Just how I blisters from
Can I tell you later?
because I got a blister after playing monkey bar.
Let's finish this one first. Okay.
I got blister after playing monkey bar.
I'll tell you after we finish today's lesson.
After my catch energy.
Okay, let's go on. Lucas, are you there? Aircon. You better don't add your own answers inside, Lucas. Okay, great. This one is, I think we've gone through this also, right? Yeah, that's why the answers are there. The bee flies the pollen grain. What?
And then when they fly to another flower to take the nectar again, they drop some into the stick.
Actually, you're right, okay, see, but you have to include the word pollen grains.
Yeah, I did.
You did, huh? Did you include the word pollination?
No.
Because you must always use the for.
He disturbed me.
You don't care about him.
How can I not?
You just look at your own paper.
Cannot. Okay, sure. I'll cut your hand. Stigma.
Okay, come. Hey, Hakimi, tell me. Hakimi, what are the 4 stages of plant reproduction?
Fertilization.
In order.
The good. I don't know. The good prata from Singapore. Germination, pollination, fertilization, prata from Singapore is last one is the
Alright.
prata from Singapore.
If you want to use his acronym or his mnemonic, you can. Good prata from Singapore. Germination, pollination, fertilization, and seed dispersal. But if you then forget it.
Mnemonic is
Something to aid your memory.
yeah, it is.
Okay, this one I think I've gone through, right? Fair test, yeah.
I'm not done. You got the
So
I thought fair test you need to repeat it 3 times, one change variable and take leverage.
no, don't confuse a fair test and an accurate test. This is the answer for fair test. I think I made this clear a few times already. The difference between a fair test and an accurate test. Good. Hey, Hakimi. Yeah, focus, Hakimi. If not, I keep your handphone till next week. Huh? You get it back next Saturday.
Saturday?
Your lesson on Saturday, man.
No!
Right, with you.
Saturday was Sunday.
No, they also attend. Okay, how about this one? Part C. How substance N affected the number of times we visited both containers from day 1 to day 10. Substance N attracted more bees.
Yeah. Underwear.
Okay, Fitzy, is that all you wrote? Just one sentence.
Yeah.
Okay, come, guys. Let's focus. Okay, man.
So I know.
So you better write for both. In container R, my suggestion is to use 2 separate sentences. Don't go and join all your answers together.
The more the substance as the number of bees visits it more every day.
Container R. In container R without substance.
Oh, I don't know where.
Is it? Without substance and I think you can tell container R is this one, it becomes less and less.
Like sugar.
It's not like sugar.
They like
Number of bees.
So you know ants they cannot see only when they are born.
Is it?
They smell. My friend said there is a type of ant that in Queen Anne, right?
Yeah.
He kills one of the worker ants and then later rub the skin in the body. Then after that he goes to another colony and then slowly kill all of them.
Okay.
It does not need to work.
Oh, so good. But remember, the question asks for both containers, so you better write in container S. Substance and increase
Number of what?
number of bees.
Oh, bees. That's not pure.
Increase. I try to use the words from the question. That's what you should try to do. Increase number of bees
It's not.
over So you need to talk about both containers. Lucas, can
The watermelon is so big. So you and say.
if have you tried writing? Have you finished writing? Yes, good.
In 轻强风起，轻轻。这里才。
Okay, Min. No speaking.
New process on. Substance germination.
Yes, it is. Make sure you know that. Substance N. Cannot fucking.
Maybe it's honey. I look gossip.
No lah. I tell you what do you think substance N is?
Sugar, honey.
Nectar.
Yes, good. N stands for nectar.
Okay.
Hey, this don't look for honey. Make sure you know that. Hey, Hakimina.
So maybe they.
Yes.
Hey, what are you doing to him?
Okay. There is no behind.
Later he gets injured, huh?
I can see.
Are you done, Lucas?
Last sentence. Yeah. Okay.
So for germination to take place, you need warm air
Okay.
and water.
Yes, good. Remember that. Done this germination,
Yeah.
all conditions needed.
Your number page 11.
What do you teach now? Question 32. Okay, guys, you're supposed to know the three
Yeah, but you
conditions.
don't put.
You're done. What?
Oi!
16.
Better do not. The way to control.
She is a boy. I mean, she was her sister.
Is that? Oh, I thought that was sure it's really I thought this charger. I thought this charger usually I thought you can charge yourself. Like put phone on. I thought this one just put the phone on top then you so it's this.
I love the number. Can you use the number?
Can you use can you don't use this charger and say charge then just put yourself. Huh?
Eight plus.
Power can. iPhone 15.
iPhone 15 coming out. My father wants to buy.
Get the phone better.
500,000 I think for 3.
This one iPhone 8 I have. Yeah,
100,000.
iPhone 16 have.
Yeah. Then iPhone 8 is like TV or something. It keeps getting bigger.
iPhone 16 even like that.
Nine.
No, 16.
Let's show the number, bro. Yeah, you can.
And 92% connection.
I get it. No, that.
Cinnamon roll. Cinnamon roll. Roll.
This time you go and see who is that.
You say mother's.
If my mother already 40 plus the first word means.
Yeah.
Who is there?
Then 长怎样？
很惨。
医生 specific 可以还是
应该有穿眼镜，穿这个 black color 的。应该怎么的？什么？Just use phone. Just use phone.
Okay, never mind. I tell her.
You got the camera there.
Yeah.
You got proof there. I did not show the proof, but then the film was there. She used phone.
Oh.
No. Don't
Hey,
lie,
never
she
mind
used
lah,
phone.
Pixie. I just tell your mom you need to bring your phone next time already. Okay, come, Pixie, tell me what are the three conditions? Warm, oxygen, and water. Yes, I'm not going to write down. You are supposed to want all of you. Lucas, you get that? Warm, oxygen, and water. Warm. I have gone through these two as well, so you all should have the answers, maybe except for Jane Kai.
It's warm, oxygen, and water.
Yes.
W-O-W.
Yes.
So,
Okay, have you written down all these answers from last week? I hope so. Okay, excellent.
what's the virus one?
Huh? Where's the virus?
I just don't do. I just listen.
Listen,
Put her phone away.
Why?
She used her phone just now. Just now I got. So what's the virus?
Okay.
What's the virus one? Oh here. So what's the
You haven't
coconut
finished.
water?
Where's the what?
Coconut water.
Where's the coconut water? They didn't show. Yeah, where's the coconut water?
Coconut water. If there's a coconut water, then how will you have a empty space in the middle? How? But actually how?
So it's not empty. Your coconut. Okay, good question, no? Where's the coconut water?
Is it inside the empty space? Oh, it's
Yeah.
on the empty space, but then not a lot, so there's still a tiny
Yeah,
amount of air.
It's the empty
float.
space, but there's still air inside the space, air and coconut water. So it's not totally empty, it's not totally filled either. So
No wonder when you open
air inside the empty space.
no, it's sugar, and water.
Okay, let's go on. This one is a difficult one because this is actually adaptation question. Each space.
You'll benefit the other plants so they don't need you'll benefit the other plants so they don't need competition for food, light, and water.
Did you hear that? Yeah, I know I know what you're talking about, but your teachers are very fussy, you know. They want the model. Can I have one more time?
So that they don't need to have competition for food, water, and sunlight.
Reduce competition.
You said this before what?
Yes, of course. But you all better remember this words, competition for 4 things. Because look at the question, they have really said prevent
Space.
overcrowding. So you
Right.
can't use the word overcrowding anymore. Space, good. 4 things are space. What else?
Light, water, and food.
Light, water, oxygen? No. Oxygen is everywhere. There's enough oxygen.
Food. Food cannot.
There's enough CO2 also. Food, do they need food or not? So what's the last one? Good. Please remember these 4 words because you do. To reduce competition for space, light,
Water and nutrients.
water, and nutrients. Kimmy, are you writing down? Oh, it's done. Okay. Remember, plants can make their own food, so they don't have to compete for food.
No, the next one. Big person.
Step on the stems. Yes, you are not wrong, but what else is inside the stems besides the sweet substance? Yeah, you heard that. That is the thing. You have to transport system. All right, the insects Okay, dig into this is the words you have to include. Okay, food carrying tubes. Lucas, write down. Otherwise, you'll be very slow. Yes, JK.
I got the book of four in Korea and then we got the cup.
What?
The book of four.
Uh-huh.
And then we got a cup of food out from the food very to put it outside.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, possible. But that one you don't have to mention it in the answer.
Còn bằng cái I got a book, not big book. But you got to use the sentences.
Yeah, because I use the same word from the question.
Somehow like stitches form.
What stickers? What stickers?
Then when you drink water, then when you run, then your
Nobody knows for sure. No? Yeah, seriously, nobody knows for sure.
there's a part over here that is completely useless.
Ayo, JK comes in. Let's finish this. Large ants to be found near these tiny insects but do not feed on them. Explain why it's advantage. Oh, you didn't.
I did them for more.
Advantage for the large ants to be near the tiny insects.
So that they also can sit on the food.
Good. Come, Peiqi, do you notice this thingy here? Sweet, sticky substance. Yeah. So basically, there are a few possibilities. The ants can feed. Now, as I said, I may use the same words given in your question. Sweet, sticky substance.
No, can they? The ant can feed on the leftover food and quickly cut well.
Produced by the tiny insects. So I use back all the same words, tiny, sticky substance.
Huh? No, these are called aphids.
Good. Sticky
No, you know, in the stomach there's somewhere here there's a part that's completely useful in the body. But then when you eat and you run inside there, the food inside will be very good. Yeah, what kind is the substance?
What the substance?
Yellow.
Color? I think probably colorless. Oh, by the way, no need to know, but this insect is correct. Aphids. Yeah, this insect is called aphids.
Only kappa. Or the branches. What? Or the diesel type.
Last part,
Other.
the tiny insects do not have wings and cannot move far.
Explain one, but this is tiny, that's a match.
And near them. So the ants have an advantage because they can eat the sweet sticky. What's the advantage for the tiny insects?
Oh, they can go to the nest?
You heard that?
I did it.
There are actually two possible answers. The first one is the ants can protect.
So how do you protect?
Oh, that means if there are any predators nearby, the ants can attack the predators. Okay,
So that's why they put pesticides.
okay, man.
I slammed my head.
Why do you slam your hand?
This two both squish there. That's why I
Oh, okay. Now, but there's another possible answer because you notice what did the question say? Tiny insects do not have wings and cannot move far. the second possible answer is can carry. Of course, you only need one answer. I don't know. Ming, are you ready? Go to the toilet and wash it. You can put it in the toilet bowl.
You make him over the thing flash, then my hands go come out like you see. Okay, so my hands together then the thing stick out.
Hey, Hakimin, are you writing it out?
I cannot.
Cannot write.
Protect.
Girls done. What I'm trying to say is look for clues in your question. Alright, they can help you in your answering.
Nice. Now what is it?
Okay, I think you got one last question, right?
Yeah, that one I didn't.
Oh, that one is hard, but
Can still do.
Isn't it the last question?
the part C that you cannot do. Good.
So,
Okay, maybe no speaking.
so what's the rarest animal or insect in this world?
I have no idea. What do you think?
Dinosaur.
Dinosaur is sexy.
It's 200, right?
Okay, done. Okay, me? No. Okay. Last one. State which thought must be compared to conclude about the effect of each variable on leaf growth. Variable is the type of soil. So which pots should you be using? You say okay. And who said not done? Lucas
Lucas.
Oh yeah, Lucas you must speed up a bit.
P, W, X, Y, A. That's not P. I don't know my ABCs now.
Okay. PRNS? You didn't? Okay, good. Okay, I write down PRNS because they have different soil. Garden, sandy, and clay. Okay. And of course, all of them have availability of water. Yes, yes, and yes.
So with us, then later availability of water we put yes.
No, if you want to change the factor availability of water, which two pots should you be comparing?
Q and P.
Good. Q and P.
Because they only have water, that's not the same.
Right, make sure you answer P and Q.
So but then the size of the plant is
Next one,
the size of the plants are different.
P and Q.
No, P, R, and S.
Yeah, that's what you want because you want to vary the type of soil. So P, R, and S have different soils. Can you can understand,
I
right?
know, but P, R, and S, right? The plants are different size.
Else, right? They could have started from the same size. You won't know. Okay, let's go on. The pots are filled with garden soil. The results of the experiment are shown. All right. Amount of fertilizer, average area of the leaf after 2 weeks. What can he conclude about the effect of fertilizer on plant growth or leaf growth?
Can we do?
Can you do this one? Part B? No, also.
What can I conclude? This one is this one you must do separately one. If it goes with the fertilizer, goes after.
Okay.
If the fertilizer goes after more than.
Jake, listen. Yeah, I know what you're trying to say. I hope you notice surface area increases.
But if too much the fertilizer increase, it will start. The surface area of the leaf will start to decrease.
So, okay, follow. This is last time you you won't see this sort of questions 10 years ago or 5 years ago, but in the past 2-3 years, this kind of question is becoming quite common. It's not just increase or decrease, no?
It's both.
It's both. So what should I write? As the amount of fertilizer are you writing down? Increased from 0. I basically want to use everything from the question 0 to 10 grams. The
I hate doing this kind of question.
is it?
Yes. Last week is spending.
I think you didn't.
Yeah, we didn't do anything last week.
Nothing's supposed to be
The surface area of leaf.
From the votes. So can you do like different vote instead of the increase? You need the CIE increase. I see this.
But that only gives you 1 mark. You have to write
The other part.
the second part, yes. I tell you, you just copy what you wrote in the first sentence and then change the
To
change
more than
accordingly.
10.
As the amount of fertilizer, make sure spelling is correct. Grams. Make sure you know all your English words like beyond.
Grand or more than 10 grand.
Or more than is fine, beyond 10 grams. The surface area of leaf. Actually, I'm repeating the same words now.
This area
That is the safest for you.
of the plants decrease.
Yes.
I hate this kind of question.
But if you know how to do, you get full marks.
Yeah, but it's very long.
You want the marks?
Yeah.
That's right.
Teacher tortured us with one piece of paper, but ended up torturing herself with many papers.
Part C. Why the second experiment cannot be used to improve the leaf growth in pot S from his. Why the results cannot be used to improve the leaf growth in pot S from his first experiment.
What job again?
This one is.
The result, Ravi.
Oh yeah, this one is tricky. Because you have to read a lot.
Because is it
what?
Because it's not the same thing.
What is not the same thing?
Amount of fertilizer and the other one does not have fertilizer.
Pot S. Look at pot S. What is pot S?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Clay soil.
Clay soil. S is clay soil. But look at what did Ravi do for his experiment. What kind of soil? This.
Fertilizer soil.
Yeah, did you notice this word? I hate it but no choice. You have to be very observant. Do you see garden soil here?
Yeah, but it's very blurry, very hard to see.
Okay, but pot S, you can't.
It is as one is as pot. You cannot use it at the start. S is clay soil, but
the results cannot be okay. You can write because even though it's not proper English.
Because it's science.
Because make sure you mention both pot S and the experiment.
Because pot S is contains clay soil, while the other experiment contains garden.
The same words from the question now. Wow, his experiments. You can write his name if you want to. Ravi's experiments. Ravi's experiment used.
Garden soil.
Yes, good. So I use that all the same word.
Finish. Now what do we do? We still have like 30 more minutes.
Don't worry, I still have another worksheet for you.
Only.
Yeah. No, not only, but few. Okay, I just need you to fill in this diagram. That's all. Too easy, right?
Yeah, I thought you
You got this before, have you? Yeah, you get it. Yeah, just take one. Don't do the MCQ first. Make sure you get the diagram correct.
Wow. Oh, in school. Do you roll your tongue? My father can do, my mother cannot. Everybody also cannot.
Okay, good for him. Lucas, focus. Have you done copying?
Like, what's a behind?
What is it? Have you done the diagram? Turn over.
Oh, I thought do this first.
Oh no, do the diagram first.
You don't do this
So what
first.
to do for
What's a behind?
Yeah, so which are the parts you know? Or you better be able to differentiate between male and female. Both.
What? Penis. Why did you say that out so loud? Penis. Balls.
You better write balls, huh?
You know what I'm what I for this? It's a ball.
Then you write a ball. Ah. And your teacher will
So I
tell you
don't know
a
how
ball.
to spell.
Huh? You don't know the spell?
Okay.
For you.
What's not testes? Like balls. Oh, is that it? Is that it?
Timmy will deliver them to you.
Is that it?
Is that it? Oh, you mean you deliver?
I think so. Oh, I learned.
Oh,
No.
your spelling is terrible.
But then get is a over.
Yes, good.
This
Done. Lucas, focus a bit more.
never mind, I'm right feet. For the rough.
How do I spell it?
Spell what?
Regina.
Hey, you better know how to spell.
I don't know.
Later we can spell.
Bello. No, it's Savoy. Bello piento. You. I know I raised this. How do you spell it?
Yeah, I can't understand. Is this the leaves or is this the
How do
fruit?
you spell it?
Is this the leaves or is this the?
Which one is this?
Yes, pen.
These are the samples.
Huh?
Samples.
I don't know what that was. SAPLES?
SEPALS. Yeah.
This pen. Oi, this
SEPALS.
pen.
V.
Bob.
What is it over?
Is that what?
One more.
Huh?
The most important one.
Where the baby is fertilized.
Where's the baby fertilized?
I don't know. What is? Oh, here. What? Let's leave them. Oh, egg.
No, you're in trouble.
It's open. Open. Open.
No.
Yeah, it's open. Huh? Oven.
Don't be-
OVAN. It's the open piece.
Come. I give you some clues. Not
What was this?
That's so good. And then you bring it up.
That's the stigma.
No, it's the one. This.
This one is the smell. This one is the stigma.
better check your spelling, Testicle. Well, you can write testicle if you want to. But for schools, mostly they use testis.
The cheap one. You really got balls.
You can try writing balls.
Oh.
Teacher.
Hey, testis is singular. I hope you know.
Teacher.
What's the plural?
Testicles. Testicles.
Done. I write the plural for you. Make sure you remember.
Oh my god.
Like when you say out. The pearson or the peahen? P-E-A-H-E-N.
Peahen is the female of the peacock.
Oh.
Ah, right.
How about
Not the football.
Hey, Lucas, focus. Happy, what's missing just now from your? Where's the baby store? Where do you keep the baby? Yeah, you better know how to spell, huh?
Oh, you got the womb. And then it's the background.
Take note, there are 2 ovaries, huh?
I know it's good.
I'm trying for what?
Okay. About name. You hate your mother. You don't care about your mother. That's the point, yeah. You hate her.
All right. For primary school, you only need to know 4 female, 2 male parts. That's all.
Teacher, you never put the last part. Fallopian tube.
But some schools will use a different word instead of fallopian tube. They'll call it ovidum.
What in the world is that?
Ovidum.
Huh? I'm so never to sleep.
Oh, okay.
Just forget about it. If you write that PS, how you want?
Nothing. Ovidum is fine.
I don't know you too, but I already know.
But do you know ovidum? Yes.
Yeah, I already know. Just before I didn't.
Okay, those are not exactly leaves. Ovules. Stars. Stigma. What is missing, Peachy?
That was for genes. This two.
H2.
Yes. Right, sure.
Alright,
Parents?
let me write for you.
Hey, look. This girl doesn't even have parents.
What do you mean?
He does not even have parents.
Oh yeah. They don't fit.
Hey, come.
Yes.
Okay, I'm looking for
She's
this.
a doctor. She's a doctor.
Okay,
So what is another that? Wait,
What is-
another?
peahen.
Yeah.
Peahen.
So a niece. So
Mm-hmm.
niece is a girl or boy. Oh.
Hey, which one are you asking? Ovary.
So this one no.
That one you have to know. That is the one that they use in the exam all the time.
Oh, I forgot about when. There's a bigger one.
Yes. No, enter he doesn't know.
There's a stigma, and there is what is it called? The stigma is a style
Good.
and ovule ovary. Oh, so now you want to include sepal?
Seppa, yep. Actually, don't have to know Seppa. It's just for your understanding. Yes. Guys, take note, fertilization in humans take place in the fallopian tube, not in the womb. Have you gone through the answers? Haven't, right?
Did she adopt it?
Is she adopted?
She looks adopted.
Which one?
She got no parent.
No parent.
Which is the open?
She's adopted. Oh, because like my new parent. Yeah, she did. Oh, the parents died. Oh, not that.
You know why? Because this only is within this family. They have the same bloodline. She and these two have different bloodlines.
One blood. Oh, so she got parents.
Yeah, so the parents are not shown there.
That's why she's still adopted. Well,
Right.
yeah. Can you stop eating the bean? I hate it.
Hey, Lucas, are you done with the MCQs? MCQs.
Why? Your one give me. Give me the one that. Give me the baby that.
Number 3.
My one.
Which pair of animals undergo external fertilization? Tell me first, external fertilization. Don't know. That means the egg and the sperm are fused outside the body. Okay. One, I keep this first. That means imagine she's a mama fish. He lays the eggs or she lays the eggs in the water. Then papa fish comes along and then put his sperm on the eggs in the water.
1 3.
Right, so that's external fertilization.
1 3.
That means the fusion does not take place inside their bodies outside. We are not done.
We are done with this page. Now turn to the next page.
Okay, let's go to the answers. Are you done, Hakimin? Come keep first. Let's go through the answers.
Go one now. Tức là one two three four.
5, 6.
So I go first. I go first.
Okay, sure.
2.
Hey, come write your name. I don't know.
I go first. I go first. I go
Which one,
first. I go first. I go first. I go first.
Write your name.
Check I go first, please. Check I go first, please. Check I go first.
Look, write your names, huh? Go toilet. Hey, no, this one, no, this one.
Check I go first, please.
Okay.
Now,
Okay, come, number 1. Hakimin.
2. 2, 4, 3, 1, 3.
What?
People is blocking the screen.
Oh, is it?
It's now.
Oh, okay.
2.
Alright, next one.
Please. 2.
2 what?
2.
A and oh, B only.
2. I think so.
Good.
Let's go. 4.
Hey, but just a note, which one is external and which one is internal fertilization?
External is the egg. We have is the.
No, think about it. For the egg, does it come from within the body? It comes up. Yeah, the egg is fertilized within the body, no? But for the two eggs, no, those eggs are in the water. All right. And the male comes along and fertilizes the eggs. Yes. Okay, then I keep it for you.
Let's go.
Yes, please. Number 3.
4. Let's go, Babaji.
Make sure you know amphibians and fishes. Okay, good. Hey, you don't block the whole view. You know, you're so brown, you're blocking a big view, big area. No? All right. Salmon is fish, frog is amphibian. All right, fishes and amphibians. 3, I mean 4. 3, is it? Monique's father, sister, you better get it right. Huh? You are waiting. Off the vibration.
That's a boy. Silent is vibration.
Next one. Number 5.
It's on the vibration.
Which take
Why
2?
one?
Take 1. Yes, 2 take 4.
No.
Answer for 4.
I don't know that. 3.
Guys, you can see 4 generations.
1.
1, 2,
This is the doctor.
4. There are 4 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Sure, but D is a doctor.
D is a
I
doctor.
mean, D don't have doctors.
You know why? Because A and B come from different bloodlines. They are not related by blood in this family tree. So their parents are not included. Yes. Go toilet. You what? Okay, you go lah. Otherwise you steal something up.
Next answer is 3, right?
Number 6 ah.
Reproduction.
Reproduction in humans. Which one is wrong?
Open it.
B is correct.
Open it up.
Insect.
D is correct.
B
Jikai.
is correct.
Yeah.
Two.
Alright, Jikai, take note. Fertilization occurs where?
Solid, so I
Fallopian tube, so B is correct.
yeah, I know that.
Fertilization doesn't take place in the womb. Okay, make sure you know that.
I just saw it.
Still one more.
Oh no, not bad. But before we finish off, what is the purpose of the womb?
Purpose of the womb is
Carry the baby. To fertilize the.
No.
Carry the baby. Carry the baby.
Alright.
The baby. Carry the baby. Carry the baby.
Yeah, this one is so smart. Actually, this is the best answer. The womb is basically
I thought it is to
To carry the baby.
yeah, it's to store the baby inside.
oh yeah, try not to use the word store.
It's
Nurture.
to carry the baby.
It's to carry you.
The fetus.
Carry you also. Carry her. The retain.
Try not to use the word baby. Baby only applies when it comes out.
Fetus.
Inside is still considered the fetus.
What?
So what if the baby
Wow.
wants to come out when it does not even have any legs and hands?
That should not happen.
No, why?
The water bag explode.
What's the purpose of the ovary?
Then go roller coaster.
Right.
Jigai, purpose of ovary?
The what? Ovary to produce the egg cell.
Good, make sure you know that. Produce eggs.
Egg cell.
Or egg cell if you want. Eggs.
The ovary. The womb is carry the baby.
Alright, egg should be the female
baby.
reproductive cell. Make sure you remember that. Okay, me some applause.
This is the this is fake.
I got the answers.
Hey,
I
Hakim. Flat lah. If it's flat, then you can project it there, but it's so
Okay.
round. You see, like a ball. You know your favorite word, ball.
Yeah. Balls. I like balls. No, I don't like them. Every egg,
So we have only 10 more minutes. Can we
I like them.
Start what?
The food.
Oh, covered lah.
I don't know what to say. I have them.
Do we do different mode, John?
No lah.
Or should I go out and learn another phone right now?
Will she lend to you?
Don't know.
You don't have phone back?
No, he
It
doesn't.
doesn't.
So then should I ask?
You try ask.
iPhone split.
Okay.
Tahun.
Ah?
Not sure.
Huh? I know, no, it's fine. You can bring back. Okay, you can keep the rest of your stuff except your handphone.
Oh, the main view is
I left my phone.
You got your iPhone?
Yeah.
Okay, just wait for me, wait for me. I'm very fast. I don't got speed. I don't got speed.
Wow, your stuff. Your stuff are still all over the place.
So can you try another different mode?
What mode?
Like let's see. I don't know. Primary science, huh? Primary science.
Primary science. Okay, got it.
Now I know must every day check my bag.
Adaptation. Okay, we all can do this again. Make sure you get full mark.
Don't have it.
Hold on, let me.
Your phone hack?
My phone hang.
Your phone hang.
My phone hang.
Babaji.
I'm very busy.
Okay, come, let's share this screen. Maybe Travis can also. No, lah, so that Travis can see this. I'm recording it.
Oh, yeah.
Try different mode, not normal one.
Okay lah, we don't have to try too many different modes.
Oh, so that
What?
try color pigments and you can try those.
What is that?
Let's just press.
Let's play kingdoms. Let's play kingdoms.
2 minutes.
Start.
2 minutes. Okay, let's start.
Are you doing yet?
What's the pin?
What's a pin?
Okay, to wait for the. Oh, it's faster than slow.
Everyone, three. Okay.
999.
Police, how are you?
Oh, team fire, team fire.
Go.
Do we get to choose or do they choose for us? Oh my god.
I think they. I don't think they ask you to choose. I don't think so.
Okay, let me see.
What is he going?
Oh, okay, somebody's here.
Oh, I'm in Free Fire.
I don't know. Not yet.
Okay. The baby.
The Barbie.
The round baby.
Skibbity dog, yes. Skibbity
Ah.
dog, skibbity.
Lucas, is that the fake or the real one?
Skibbity dog,
Fake one.
skibbity dog, skibbity.
The rest?
Can somebody join my da baby? I'm da baby. Can somebody join me? I'm da baby.
Then Skibidi enjoy you.
Oh my god.
Who's Skibbity?
Let's start.
Hey, who's Skibbity? Who's Skibbity? I don't know. Wait.
Hey, no shouting.
I need Skibbity. Who's Skibbity right now? Just who's Skibbity dog?
Okay, all done.
No, sure. Kick out Skibbity dog for my team. Skibbity dog. Sure, please kick that person out of my team.
It's okay.
No.
Tracy, are you in? Yeah.
Are you
Start,
Skibbity dog?
you know.
Oh, yeah, you Skibbity
Alright,
dog.
I'll start. Lucas.
Just anyhow, right?
Okay. Let's start. Okay.
Next, John.
Next. Go advancement color.
Tutorial, sure. Skip tutorial.
Okay, tutorial. You're not there.
Huh?
Let's start.
Explanations of clients.
Wow.
The baby, please win. What are we?
No sharing.
What?